Welcome to aamirz 2 cents. Today I'm going to show you guys the walnut tree, and as of now, a lot of it's almost fall, and the leaves has fell down. But this is how the walnut tree looks like. So you see right here, it has a lot of leaves actually when it's not fall. So you can see right there, and tons of walnut this tree has actually, and you can see some of them right there. So it comes in bunch of them, and there is another walnut tree we have right there in front of it. Right, this one is also walnut tree. We have a lot of pecan tree, but what I'm going to show you guys, all these walnuts has fell down, and there are maybe very few of them there. So if you see right here, there are a couple of them. I don't know if you can see from this camera or not, but this is how the walnut tree look like. And though these are the walnuts, these fell down. You can see right there. They are. This is how they look like, green. And once they just stay here on the ground, they're gonna turn into the black. So you can see right here, and this is the one you can see. So now, and you have a lot, we have a lot of them. So the hard part is once you have these walnuts, clean them, because right there, see, bunch of them, so tons of them, they are green. So what am I gonna do? If I will use, I can, these are very soft, and I can open it with my hand, the outer skin, and then you get the real walnut inside. So the problem with this, if I will open with my hand, and it will leave a black color on my hand, and it will not go for a couple of days. So I'm gonna just mush it with my shoes, so you can see what it gets at the end. So this is what you're gonna get. This is a walnut you have right there. So the here, that's what you have, a nice walnut. And once you break it, you're gonna get actual thing, the fruit inside. So if you see my hands, this leave a color there. So let's take the black, this one. So I will just have this one here, and then I will just do with this. These are called black walnuts. So you can see right there, and here, then you can break it and then get the fruit outside. Really good. We have a lot of them actually on our farm, and like 5 or 6 trees for walnut, and the only problem is cleaning them, breaking them, and then getting the fruit out. So you see this one was here from last year. So a lot of them are here from last year. I fell down, nobody picked them. I gave them a bunch of them to friends, but they also gave up because cleaning is the hard part. So if this one, if I will just kind of roll with my feet, if I will roll with my foot, this is where it is going to be at the end. Now the fruit is inside. Let's do for the green one. So I will just take it. This is what you're gonna get. No, really nice fruit, but as people are getting, we sometimes get lazy, and that's the reason we don't take this walnut. Otherwise, if I would not have affordability to get from the market clean and all those fruit, I probably will spend some time on these walnut. But most of the time I have give to friends. They even didn't bother to break them because it takes a whole lot of time. Instead of that, they use what we have here on the farm. We also have the pecan, and a lot of our friends took the pecan, and it's easy for them to break the pecan and enjoy them, so they prefer to take pecan instead of walnut. So I'm gonna go ahead. We are here for today to butcher a goat for the friend, and you can see all these walnut came. See, all these walnut came from this tree. They're here, they're right here. These are here from last year, so you don't have to really clean it. You can break it and see. This one is also from last year. So, and these are from this year. See right there. So here, this is from this year, a lot of them, you know. So if you have one walnut tree, I can tell you that's gonna be more than enough for the family to enjoy the fruit of that. Some ants bit me on my feet. Okay, so let's go and help the friend with the butchering a goat for a party. And meanwhile, let's go. Hey, how you doing? And this is our Sunny. Sunny, what's up? And now I will show you, this is a pecan tree. So this big tree is pecan tree. I have a lot of pecan on it, and a lot of them fell down. So you can see that that's what I was saying, like friends like pecans because they're easy to break and eat, and the walnuts very hard. So nobody likes walnut. I mean, they like to eat, but they rather buy from the market, then they don't have to shell them. So no shelling has to be done. So they just get it and they eat it instead of spend time on the shelling it. So let's these are all pecan. See right here, oh, nice pecan. And we have another tree. That's another tree for pecan, very huge tree. The leaves are pecan, look like this, you know, and the fruit is like this. So they are also in a bunch, but they are not round. These are and there are tons of them. They fell down in the ground. So I'm gonna, if I'll take this, I can pretty much break this with my hands, and these are the small ones. So if you see, these came from other tree, and these are small, really tasty. I love this pecans. So these are pecans, and these are the walnut from last year. So breaking a pecan, you can just see, this is not really, this doesn't have fruit. So this one has some fruit. So see right there, it was easy to break with the hand. And let me peel this whole thing. So I'm peeling this one. See, it's easy to peel and or shell it, whatever you call. And now I can go ahead and eat it. This is really good. I love this. Good stuff. Same. Really tasty. But with the walnut, you cannot do it. You have to work very hard to get the fruits inside. Alright, thank you very much. If you guys like my videos, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next videos.